Welcome everybody. Before we start our video, disclaimer for today, guys. Remember, our video here just for educational purposes only. We don't provide any financial advice, and nothing shown here is guaranteed for investment result or profit. Let us start SMCI update, guys, because the market is doing all right. SMCI is still holding the current support as we discussed over this white line. We have mini breakout for SMCI back here in May, and then here when we consolidate, and we broke out back in June, and now we have another consolidation zone just over this white line, as you can see, and over this support, the 48 and 46. So in big picture, as long as we hold here, will be good for SMCI to go toward the 58, which we getting near to it right now, almost 54. So we missing $4 for SMCI to go higher and go toward the 66 and 72, my ultimate level to go to for this month, or just in 2 weeks from now. We're gonna do major update for SMCI for tomorrow, guys. Let me know in comment section below. Are we gonna go toward the 66 and break the 58 this month or not? Let me know in comment section below. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow, everybody. 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching.